Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. And yes, I am back to teach you another line dance. Thank you so much for coming back. Remember, at the end of this video, if you want to dance to the music, I'll post it at the end. This is the step-by-step instruction. If you located in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674 if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes. Last but not least, guys, want to thank you guys so much for your registration and booking your room. That's right, we are getting ready for the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 24th. Through the 14th, 2024, and registration is open right now. You can go to our website to register and book your room, www.LMIUNOLA.com, and I'll see you at the NOLA Southern Experience. Now guys, this dance I'm going to teach you, it is only 2 parts, finding my way back. It's a nice cool down, instructors, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. Let's go. So let's start with part 1. So anytime you hear part 1, which is the verse, this is what you're going to do. And it's going to be all 4 walls. When you go back to the front, you're still going to do it, but you're just going to hold it at the front wall. And this is all you do. So I'm going to start at this wall here, so we can kind of get a full rotation here without you looking back at the camera. So you're going to do heel, alternating heel, right, left. You're going to do a sailor right, a sailor left. When you do that sailor left, you're going to do a quarter turn to your left, and you're going to start the process over again, same steps, moving all the way around the room. So we back here. 5, 6, 7, and right heel, left heel, sailor, right, left, right quarter turn, left, right, left. Do it again. Heel, heel, sailor, right, quarter turn, left, left, right, left. Alternating heel, right, left, sailor, right, left, right, quarter turn, left, left, right, left. Alternating heel, right, left, sailor, right, left, right, quarter turn, left, left, right, left. Keep doing it. Heel, heel, right, left, right, heel, heel. So you will end part 1 with the alternating heel, okay, and not a sailor step. So that's part 1, okay. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, alternating heel, right, left, sailor, right, quarter turn, left, heel, right, left, sailor, right, quarter turn, left, heel, right, left, sailor, right, quarter turn, left, heel, right, left, sailor, right, quarter turn, left. Again, heel, heel, stay here, right, left, heel, heel. That's part 1, okay? And before you're not going to do the sailor step because you're going to go into the chorus. So part 1, going around the room and coming back here and holding it here, still doing the steps, and ending with the alternating heel is the verse, okay? Part 2 is the chorus. Then you're going to go up, right, left, out, in, okay? A slight pause. Take it up. Right, left, out, in, on the right and left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, out, in. Walk back. Right, left. And you're going to do that stuff again. Same tempo. 5, 6, 7, and. Right, left, out, in, back. Right, left. So you're going to do that both times. Okay? Now, we're going to switch it up the 3rd time. So we go up, right, left, out, in. From here, you're going to roll back. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you come back 6 times. right, left, out, in, walk back, right, left, take it up, right, left, out, in, back, right, left, last time, right, left, out, in, back, right, back, left, right, left, 2 more times, back, right, and left. That is the end of the dance. And you put both of those parts together, and you have finding my way back. You're going to do the first rotation, the second rotation is the same thing. The third rotation is the same way. When you come back here, just keep doing part 2 until the dance ends. That is it. So let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7, heel. 1, 2, sailor, 3 and 4, turn 5, then 6, kick 7, 8, sailor, 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, kick 3, 4, sailor, 5, then 6, 7 and 8, kick 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8. See how that ended? So it's not an even number or when you go count around to your walls. When you come back to the front, you end on 7, 8, okay? Part 2, right, left, out, in, right, left, up, right, left, out, in, back, right, left, right, left, out, in, roll back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, your weight is going to be on your left and you start over with your heels. Okay? That is finding my way back. Okay? Check out the other instructors, and I forgot who the instructor, the choreographer is, but when you put the name of the line dance, you'll see her. Okay? So check that out. Also, let's dance along at the end of this video to the music. Make sure you got all the rotation together. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And also, please help support the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Go to our website right now, get all your details, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Goudet teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. As always, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.